Messenger messages can be read without seen. Isn't it interesting? And if you're wondering how to do it, you are into a correct place. Today, I'll teach you the easiest and the most wonderful trick to read messages of other people without seeing. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So, to read Messenger messages without seeing, first of all, go to your Messenger app and open up the app just like this. Make sure to get logged in, just like me. You can see here lots of unread messages to my own account, but still, I'm going to choose one of the messages that I want to read without seeing. Okay, here's an account below Christine Evans that is currently not read yet. So, to read it without seeing, first of all, what you need to do is, you need to turn off your Wi-Fi, enable your aeroplane mode, and disable everything that makes you online. Make sure to stay offline, just like this. And now when you're done doing it, you can tap on the particular message that you want to read. And here, you can see that you can read it from top to bottom. And when you're done, go back. And just before enabling your Wi-Fi and disabling your airplane mode, make sure to get out of here, uninstall Messenger, just like this. And now you can go to your Play Store and then search for Messenger and try to install this app. So for installing, we need to turn on our Wi-Fi and turn off our airplane mode and then tap on install. After installing the app completely, you will have an open option here. You can simply open it from here, or you can open up the app and get logged in just like me. And below Christine Evans, you can see that the message that we had read before seems like we haven't read it at all. So this is it. This is how you read messages on Messenger without seeing. And now you can also go to your Messenger and use this trick easily. So I hope this video is really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.